Hello sa inyo mga tolls, welcome sa aking channel. Ngayon tuturo ko sa inyo Best Part by Ceasar. And nasa standard tuning tayo. So first part ng kanta is the intro. So yung intro natin, verse, chorus, same lang din. So the first chord is the D major 7. A lot of ways to use D major 7 chord, but I prefer to use this chord. If you don't know this chord, bar chord's 5th fret, and then the ring finger in the 4th string, 7th fret, middle finger in the 3rd string, 6th fret, then little finger in the 2nd string, 7th fret. D major 7. Next chord is the A minor 7. Middle finger in the 6th string, 5th fret, then ring finger in the 4th string, 5th fret, and then little finger in the 3rd string, 5th fret. Next chord is ito yung chord na to is a passing chord, D7. So I think it's D7 suspended 4. So middle finger in the 5th string, index finger in the 4th string, 4th fret, and then ring finger in the 3rd string, 5th fret, little finger in the 2nd string, 5th fret. So ulitin ko, first chord, pluck mo yung 1st, 2nd, and 3rd string para may cue ka papuntang A minor 7. So next is next chord is G major 7. If you don't know that chord, index finger in the 3rd fret, 6th string, ring finger in the 4th string, 4th fret, little finger in the 3rd string, 4th fret, and then middle finger in the 2nd string, 3rd fret. G major 7. Then the last chord I use is B flat major 7. If you want to use this, pwede din sa 1st fret, naka-bar chord, but I prefer to use this chord dito. Mas maganda pakinggan yung bass. So para kang nag G major 7 chord, transfer mo lang siya sa 6th fret. That's your B flat major 7. So yung intro, ulitin ko. So the next part is the verse, same chord. So ganun lang. You don't know best when you hold me, the sweetest thing next part is the chorus. Same chord pa rin. I just wanna see you beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I follow. No matter how far. Life is a movie. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, oh, you're the best part. Oh, oh, best part. So, yun lang. Sobrang dali lang ng chord na ginamit. And for sure, makukuha nyo yun kung gusto nyo talaga matuto ng best part na kanta. So, after ng first chorus, balik ulit sa verse, refrain, and then chorus. And then, meron yung outro part, same chord pa rin yung gagamitin. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Oh, if you love me, won't you say something? So, yun lang. Napakadali. And hope may natutunan kayo sa tutorial ko ngayon. And just click like and subscribe para updated kayo sa aking channel. And follow my Facebook page. Nasa link sa baba yung description. And if you have some requests, you can comment down. Baka magawan ko ng tutorial. So, yun lang. God bless.